Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y200 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Privacy. Following that, tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Then you can click on any app, in my case Chrome, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature. Look for an app that you wish to manage. And instead of picking one of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!